Hello, children. How are you? Yes, I'm doing good. Hope you all doing fine. As I said, this is the third topic we are going to see about our early human beings. First, we saw about early human beings, how they discovered stones, how they discovered fire, and other things. Next, we saw about wheel, and now in this lesson, we are going to see how they started farming and how they used domestic animals in farming. Shall we go? Yes, we'll start a lesson. So, first, we are going to see how the farming started. In New Stone Age, early human beings discovered the art of farming. So, what is New Stone Age? We all seen about Old Stone Age. So, what is New Stone Age is? It is the how to say you? It is the era in which they started doing many new things. So, these human beings, early human beings, started to think about farming. Instead of hunting other animals, they just thought of doing a different thing that is called as farming. So they started the art of farming. So what did they do then? So they started to sow the seeds. So they started to sow the seeds, and they with the seeds they started to grow the plants. And what did they do? From the plants they started consuming food. From the plants they started consuming food. So these early human beings started to think about farming, and this made them to learn to make a better tools. Yes, previously we know with the help of stone they tied with a knot and they used as a axe or something. So they learned to make better kinds of different tools, and this is the this is the point in which they started the usage of water in farming. They learned that by watering the farms, the plants will grow. Nobody have taught them. They learn by themselves. And this is the point in which they started using the domestic animals in farming, and this is the point in which they started domestic animals in farming. So now I have given you a brief introduction about how the farming has been started. Now let's see further. So what are the other things they have done? Next, we are going to see about tools they used. So we all know with what kind of tools they used. So with the help of stones, they sharpened the stones and they tied the stones into with a wood, and they started as a tools. So slowly, once they started discovering the metals, they also started metal tools, like metal tools. So it includes sickles. Sickles means, no, it's a kind of tool which helps to harvest the crops, okay, and for grinding. How to say you? A sickle. A sickle is nothing but, you must have seen in videos, farming videos, they will have a tool like which is used to cut the crops. You can see in the picture. Okay, it's like a curve shaped tool which is used to cut the crops. So sickles are used to cut the crops, and also in times it is used to dig. So these kinds of tools has been used by the early human beings. They invented wooden plows. You know what is plow, right? Which has been tied at the back of ox or a cow, where once they move, the wooden plow can also move, which is used to dig the mud. You can see in the picture where wooden thing is being attached at back of the ox. So plows are also invented, wooden plows are also invented by the early human beings, which is used to dig the soil for harvesting, to put the seeds. Now next we are going to see how they have used the water. We all know, now we know, okay, when we put a seed and then we need to pour some water. But who thought? The early human beings? Nobody thought. So they just think what to do, how to do, and they came to one conclusion like, yes, this is how we should do. So they tried many things, and whichever got succeeded, it practiced as a way to continue. So let's see how they used the water. So early human beings have discovered the canals. You know what is canal, right? It is a path in which the water will flow from one place to another place. So early human beings were the first to discover the canal. Okay, what did they do is they have dig a large land to make sure that the water will pass from one place to another place. So they started digging the land to make sure the water will pass from one place to another place. And also they started connecting the rivers, small rivers, they started connecting with the canals, so the water flow will be there. So they are the one who discovered the concept of canals. Okay, CANALS, canals. And they also used manure. You know what is manure, right? Animal waste is mixed with the soil to make sure the plants get better nutrition. That is called as manure, animals waste. Okay, animals waste have been used as manure to the fields. So this is how they started with the farming. Now we'll see how they have used the animals. So what did they do? They used sheep, goats, pigs. Okay, so they used these types of animals to provide milk. From milk we will get cheese. We all know from sheep we will get wool, and from skin of goats they have taken the skin of goats, which is used as clothes also for them, and they have been used to make few bags too. So what did they do? They started using the domestic animals. They started using the domestic animals, which from there they got the milk, cheese, wool, and they also used the skin of animals. And animals like ox or ox and other animals can be used to pull the carts. Cart, right? Horse cart, bullock cart, ox cart. So what they did is they used these types of domestic animals to carry the loads. So if they want to carry loads from one place to another place, they started using all these animals to carry the loads. And also in plough, I told you what is plough, right? Plough, where they used the wooden thing to dig the soil. It's a wooden kind of thing which is used to dig the soil. So they started usage of animals in their farming, and also they started using them to carry the loads from one place to other places. And what they did is they used pigs, goats and chickens to provide them a rich source of food. They started hunting all these types of animals and they started consuming it. Now we are going to see about settlement. So what is settlement? I'll give you an example. See, once we entered into a class, so what did I tell you? What that I will tell you? So I'll tell you, like, put all your other books inside, take your EVS notebook and pencil and your book, and I'll give you 2 minutes to settle. Settle means you will put all things inside. You will take the current class notebooks and pencils. So you will settle yourself. You make comfortable of yourself. That is called as settlement. That is called as settlement. So what did early human beings did is they found a place near the rivers. So why they need a river? It's for farming. They want water for the farming. So they found a place near the river and they started building their houses there and they lived. So they found a place near the rivers for which they need water for the farming, and they started building their own houses. So this is how they started settling down. Each and every early human beings started settling down in this way and they proceeded with their farming. Children, please repeat the word wall words. The first is farming. 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 Second is domestication. Domestication. So what is domestication? They used the domestic animals for their own purpose, like taking milk from them, taking wool from them, used them in farming. So all these are called as domestication. 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 Third is plough. 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 Fourth is manure. 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 Fifth is canals. 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 Sixth is herded. What is that? Herd. We know what is herd, right? A group of animals which are sent to a place to make sure they are having their grass or something. So that is called as herd. Herd means it's a group. Okay. Herded. 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 Repeat. HERDED. Herded. Next is reared. Next is reared. So what is reared? It's nothing but upbringing the animals, like no, they will help the animals to grow. That is called as rearing. They will help to grow by themselves to consume their foods. That's called as rearing. Reared, reared, reared. And the last is settlements, settle, settlements, ments, settlements, settlements. So now children, now that we have completed this lesson, so what do we do is, I'll provide you the learning worksheet. Okay, copy the learning worksheet on your classwork side of your EVS notebook and try to complete your book back exercises. You have matched the following and choose the best answer there. So please complete the match the following and choose the best answer in your book. Okay, let's see with a different topic in our next class. Thank you children. Take care.